Unveiling the mystery, the nuts and bolts of English phrases. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have come across, the nuts and bolts. This idiom is not only popular but packed with meaning, and understanding it can add a new layer to your English comprehension. Let's unravel the mystery together and find out what makes this phrase tick. The nuts and bolts refers to the most basic, practical aspects of a subject or activity. Imagine you're looking at a machine. The nuts and bolts are the essential pieces that hold everything together, without which the machine wouldn't function. Similarly, when we talk about the nuts and bolts of something, we're talking about its foundational elements that are crucial for its operation or understanding. The phrase, the nuts and bolts, likely comes from the literal hardware components, nuts and bolts, which are fundamental in building and engineering projects. Over time, it evolved into a metaphor for the essential components of an idea, project, or subject. This evolution from a literal to a figurative meaning is a common process in the development of idioms in English. Using the nuts and bolts in conversation or writing shows that you're focusing on the most important, practical details. Here are a few examples. Before launching the marketing campaign, it's crucial to understand the nuts and bolts of social media analytics. The new manager took some time to explain the nuts and bolts of our project workflow. As a beginner, you should first get to grips with the nuts and bolts of English grammar. There are other phrases in English that convey meanings similar to the nuts and bolts. Some of these include the ins and outs, understanding all aspects of a situation or subject. The nitty-gritty, the most basic, detailed, or fundamental facts. Understanding these phrases can help you express nuances in different contexts, enriching your English vocabulary and conversational skills. We hope this exploration of the nuts and bolts has helped you grasp not just the phrase itself but also a bit more about how English idioms work. Remember, getting to know the nuts and bolts of a language is a journey, and every bit of knowledge helps. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Happy learning!